Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need the dream nail and solid platforming practice. White Palace is punishing, so prepare. First, head toward Ancient Basin or City of Tears, depending on your map. Make sure you know fast travel benches nearby. Once there, look for the subtle pale gateway. It's easy to miss because it blends with the wall. Use the dream nail or interact prompt to reveal the entry. Once opened, step through carefully. The platforming gauntlet begins immediately. After entering, focus on rhythm and sequence. Many sections punish hesitation. You'll chain dashes, wall jumps, and precise nail strikes. Practice each segment until you can clear it without pausing. Use movement upgrades like the Shade Cloak or dash abilities to recover from mistakes. They turn near fails into recoverable errors. Conserve soul to heal only at safe benches, and make a habit of returning to benches before long platforms. The final stretch strips errors down to timing. Push through with calm, precise inputs, and don't rush. When you reach the summit, claim charms and lore. The reward justifies the grind. If you repeatedly fail a zone, quit to menu and reload at a bench to reset enemies and rehearse the tricky sequence in chunks. Make sure your charm setup favors mobility and healing. Swapping to Stalwart Shell or Quick Heal options often turns a wall into a checkpoint. Keep trying. Muscle memory wins here.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.